Hello guys, I am Shazad Ahmed and welcome in lecture number 5. Today we are going to discuss from the content side. Make sure we are working on the Visual Composer, and if you are working on the Visual Composer, I consider that you have the basic knowledge of CSS first of all, because we are working on the CSS section, and you have the basic knowledge of HTML, and you have the basic knowledge of WordPress. So if you are watching this series, so you must familiar all of them. I'm saying basic knowledge, HTML and CSS. Okay, so now I have a column. I'm adding something in this column. Click the add button. So in the content side, we have discussed about the row, text block, separator, and separator with text. So this is the FAQs. So we are going to discuss in this lecture the FAQs, image gallery, carousel, and the button. Okay, so click on the FAQs section. So as you can see, you have your FAQs, your toggle title, and you have some content, and by default it's open or closed. You can choose. I'm saying by default it's open, and now I'm saying I'm not defining the animation here. You can add your content here, you can add your title here. For suppose I'm taking title 1, so select, close. As you can see, you have your this FAQs sections here. So basically, if you want to add another, just clone it. So this is the clone, and added this FAQ section. For suppose you are saying 2, and I'm saying by default it's closed. Okay, so now as you can see, by default it's closed, and it's both are working fine. So you can create like this. Just click on this button, go to the content, and now you have your image gallery. So what is the image gallery? You can add the, for suppose, full slider width, the type of the image. You can choose the type of the image. I'm saying this time slider. If you can also choose the fixed slider, you can also choose the Nevo slider, you can also choose the image creator. So it depends upon you. I'm selecting the first one options. Okay, you can add the title also. I'm saying the rotated in 3. Okay, you can also select the 5, 10 and 15 or disables. I'm saying I'm selecting the images from the image media library. If you have an external link, just provide the links here. Okay, so go to your link. I'm selecting these 3. I'm selecting these 1, 2, 3 images. Okay, these 3 images. Select. I have just selected. So if you want to delete, just click on the X button. So you can also remove. Okay, so you can also use the large, medium, full, and thumbnail size. It's totally depend upon you. We have already discussed about this. One click if you want to add the callback function or whatever you want to add, the on click, open pretty photo URL, link to large image, open customer. I'm saying open pretty photo. Okay, I'm not going to add the animations. Just click on this and close. So now as you can see, we have just added the 3 images. So this is the image gallery. As you can see, this is the image gallery. You can also go to update. Okay, go to the backend sections to view the page, and now click on the preview button. So now as you can see, you have your elements and you have your gallery section. So I have selected the options. Which options? Just I'm going to show you. This is the gallery image. This option. Oh sorry, this option. Where is the option? This options. You can click on the link to the large image. Okay, now refresh the page. Now click on the image. So as you can see, it's showing the large image. So it's really depend upon you. Now what you just need to click on the this link content, and you have an image carousel. So you have image carousel. So as you can see, this is these are the same thing. So click on this plus button. I'm going to add these 3 items. Add. I have added 3. Choose your thumbnail. For suppose I'm saying medium. So this is medium. This is medium. Click options and select slider option, horizontal or vertical. Okay, the slider size is 500, not size, speed. Click on the previous section. So as you can see, you have your slide. As you can see, it's a image carousel. So this is the carousel, this is the gallery. So there is a major difference between slider and galleries. Okay, so now I'm going to add another element. So we have already discussed about these. So you can add the custom heading. We have already discussed. If you need the button, just click on the button. Write something for your button. For suppose I am saying click me. So you can see this is the text. Okay, button size, which button you want to need. Style, choose your style. I'm saying modern. You can also use the classic, flat, or whatever you want to add. And shape, rounded, square, or round. I'm saying rounded. Okay, color of the image, for suppose I'm saying green. Okay, the size of the image, for suppose I'm saying large. Alignment, I'm saying center. Okay, so set full width button. You can also select this, or you can also add your icon here. It's really depend upon you. ID and classes, you can also add the ID and classes. So preview. So as you can see, you have your button icon. Okay, so what you need, just need to, if you want to add the advanced on click section, click on this, and on click code, you can add the code here. So you can, in this way, you can create the button. Okay, so now just click on the plus button, go to the content and click on the Flickr widget. So this is the Flickr widget. You can add the Flickr widget here, or the progress bar. Click on the progress bar. So you have 3 progress bar. For suppose open this, you have a development 90% default, and this is the, for suppose designing 80%, and this is the marketing 70%. And just click, if you have some units, percentage pixel, you can add the percentage pixel. You can add the color here, you can choose the color here. Options, they have some options, ID and class name. Just preview the page. So as you can see, you have your development, design and marketing. For suppose if you want to customize this, just click on this. You can add any, for suppose gray, for suppose I'm saying green, and I'm saying yellow, and I'm saying some other color, shino. Okay, so now they are saying that add the percentage with the percentage. Preview. So as you can see, you have added the percentage. This is the development, and these are the progress bar. So you can add the progress bar by selecting this element. Make sure we are working on the element. Once you familiar with the elements, then you will work on the, you will create, or you can create your HTML smoothly. So pie chart, you can add the pie chart. So title, add your title. For suppose I'm doing this is the level value. The level value, for suppose I am saying 20, or leave it the unit. You can also use the unit. Click yes, view, preview. So this is the pie chart. So this is the pie chart. So you can customize your pie chart what we did. So you can see, as you can see, this is the what we did. 50%. So if you are saying that this is the 90%, and you can add the value percentage, for suppose percentage, and save, review. So you can see, okay, this is the 90%. So you can add the pie chart, click on the plus button, add the new element. So you have empty space, so click on the empty space. For suppose if you want to add some space between these two elements, so you need to add the empty space. For suppose I'm saying 50 pixels, that means I'm from the top and the bottom, I'm choosing 50 pixels. So this element drag and drop here, so I want to add some space between these two elements. So preview. So as you can see now, so we have added the separator here. For suppose you can increase the space. For suppose I'm saying 500, save, preview. So this is the 500 empty space from the top and the bottom. Okay, so this way you can add the empty space. I'm saying this is the 50% empty, 50 pixel. Okay, you can also add the percentage. Okay, click on the plus button and select another. This is the revolution slider, because you have revolution slider here. You can, if you are working on the revolution slider, just click on the revolution slider and select your slider. So you don't have a slider, so that's why it's showing nothing. Content, revolution slider 5. Okay, create your revolution slider if you want to create, but I'm not going to create this one. So in this way you can create the content. In the next lecture we are going to cover the social, then structure, then WordPress widget, Porto, and WooCommerce. Make sure this is the Porto theme, so that's why it's saying Porto theme. If you are working on the XYZ theme, so you definitely have the XYZ theme elements. So I think this is enough for today. So thank you for watching.